How to save account in Roblox. In this video, I'll show you how to save account in Roblox. So first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and set a strong password for your Roblox account. Head over into the More button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then once you click on this will take you here. And then from here, click on Settings and then click on Account Info. So in this section, you'll be able to find this password tab, and at the right side of it, you'll find this pencil icon. So you just need to simply click on that to edit your password and update it. Choose a password that's hard to guess. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and never share your password with anyone. Now, after that, you need to go ahead and verify your email address. So on the account info tab, go ahead and verify your email address. This lets you recover your account if you forget your password or get hacked. Now, another thing you can do is to add a phone number for your account. So on account info, go ahead and add your phone number. This helps with account recovery and adds extra security. Now, the last option that you have is to use a password manager. So for mine, I'm using the Google Password Manager. So if you must always log out when done and never share your password on public or shared computers. And that is how you can basically save account in Roblox.